Hello everyone, how are you all? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, it's PRABJEET. The New Year vibes is on the air, so I thought आज मैं आप सबके साथ I'll be sharing settle makeup with a green smoky eye look. So I thought let me make a tutorial for you guys as well. So let's learn. Before that, just I'm feeling so obsessed with this glow on my face. Can you look at this? See, I've nothing applied on my face. Nothing is there. You can see even my open pores. So this is the glow on my face, which you can see is just because of this Michael Todd, my favorite tool. I've been applying this for such a longer period. So if you know how to use this, why it is important for us, and what benefits we will get out of this, I'll share the link in the description box. Go and check it out, my reel. You will definitely love this. This glow is just because of this tool. Great. Okay, and another excitement level is, friends, just look at outside. It's snowing. Oh my god, oh my god. Doing makeup outside in snow is another level of wow experience and excitement. Okay, so without wasting any further time, let's start. As I always say, flawless makeup starts with great skin prep. Here I'm starting off with the Smashbox moisturizer, gently massaging it into my skin until it's fully absorbed. This gives my skin that much needed hydration and glow. For my lips, I'm using the Nail Edge lip mask to keep them soft and hydrated. You can also opt for any good lip balm wherever you have in your hand. If you have seen my previous tutorials, you already know that I'm a person who starts with eyebrow first. So for that, I'm starting brushing my eyebrows here upwards. Then next, I'm using the Inglot Gel Liner in brown color to outline and shape my brows with the help of a brow brush. Next, to fill in the sparse areas, I'm using the Benefit Precise My Brow Pencil in the shade 4. Benefit Cosmetic is one of my favorite brands for brow products. Also, I have a separate tutorial on how to shape your eyebrow in a natural and simple way. So we'll share the link in the description box. Go and check it out. Now let's dive into the eyes. I'm keeping it glam but super simple. Now I'm starting by applying Tarte concealer all over my eyelid to create an even eye base, maintaining the shape of the bottom brow line for a lifted effect. Then I'm blending it out with a sponge and setting it with MAC compact powder. Next, I'm saturating my eyelid with Faces Canada black kajal pencil from the lash line to just under the crease area. And to set this, I'm using black eyeshadow from my Be Perfect Carnival palette. You can use any eyeshadow palette, whatever you have in your vanity. Then to add glam, using green eyeshadow and just dabbing on top of the black eyeshadow. Now next, to soften and blend the edges, I'm using a brown eyeshadow from the same palette with a small blending brush and creating a seamless transition effect. For a pop-up of brightness, I'm applying a golden highlighter to the inner corner of my eyes. Now comes my favorite part, glitter. I love applying glitter. So the green glitter I'm using here is by LIT Cosmetic. Before applying it, I'm using benign glitter glue on my eyelid with my hands and pressing the glitter on top of that with a blending brush for maximum intensity. To finish the eye look, I've applied false lashes and topped them off with L'Oreal highly rated Panorama Mascara. That's my favorite. Next, moving on to the face, I'm wiping off any fallout and rehydrating my skin with the NARS Radiant Primer. This gives an instant glow and preps the skin for foundation and concealing. Now I'm using two different shades of Tarte Self-Setting Concealer. First shade will be 3 shades darker than my skin tone, which will actually cancel out the darkness, and another shade that matches my skin tone. I blend them out in dabbing motion to even out my color complexion. For foundation, I'm going with Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation in the shade 4W2. This lightweight hydrating foundation is perfect for a flawless finish. I'm applying a small amount with my fingers and blending it out seamlessly over my face and neck area. Before setting my face with powder, I like to apply blush directly to my cheeks using the iMagic Touch Blusher palette. This technique really gives a natural and flushed look. I'll be again blending the under eye crease lines, and afterwards only I'll set my under eye area with Huda Beauty setting powder, which blurs out fine lines beautifully. For the rest of my face, I'm using Laura Mercier setting powder to lock everything in place. Both the powders are really incredible and my favorite, but Huda Beauty is my go-to for a flawless under eye finish specifically. Next, for a lifted look, I'm adding more blush using the NARS blusher in the shade Infatuated. Applying it slightly higher on my cheeks gives that sculpted effect. To warm up and define my face, I'm using NYX Buttermilk bronzer in the shade Butta Biscuit on my applying it on my jawline, forehead, my nose area, and my cheeks just to give warmth on my face and the lifted effect. Now to highlight the highest point of my face, I'm using the Ofra highlighter for a stunning glow. For the lower lash line, I'm applying a black kajal and blending to diffuse harsh lines. And then for the transition effect, I'll again blending with the brown eyeshadow to soften the edges. Further, to achieve a dewy finish, I'm using an Anastasia Dewy Hydrating Spray and pressing it to my skin with a puff. This technique really helps melting the powder into the skin and enhances the glow. For my lips, I'm using Too Faced Lip Injection to plump them up, and the Nude Lip Combo with NYX Nude Lip Liner and MAC Lipstick in the shade Teddy Bear. It's a soft peachy nude that complements the smoky eye perfectly. Last touch to set the base and make it long lasting, I'm using Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. Don't forget the neck, dear. I'm using Fiora Body Illuminizer for a gorgeous shimmery glow. And here's the final look. I styled it with open hair, golden hoops, and stylish bangles. But smoky eyes are so versatile, they will go with any jewelry or outfit you decide to wear or you choose. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel if you are new here. And if you recreate this look, tag me on social media. All the links are in the description below, including the product which is used today. I love you guys so much and I'll be see you soon with another tutorial. Ta-da!